Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi rice without a rice cooker. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of short-grain sushi rice, 2 1/4 cups of water, rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Begin by rinsing your sushi rice under cold water until the water runs clear, which removes excess starch. Next, soak the clean rice in fresh water for about 30 minutes, then drain it well. This soaking step helps the rice cook more evenly and achieve the perfect texture. Now let's cook the rice. Place your drained rice and the measured 2 1/4 cups of water into a heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer for exactly 15 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as the steam is essential for proper cooking. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered for another 10 minutes. This allows the rice to steam further and absorb any remaining moisture. While the rice rests, prepare your sushi seasoning. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, stirring until dissolved. Once the rice has rested, transfer it to a large, non-metallic bowl and gently fold in the seasoning with a cutting motion, being careful not to mash the grains. Finally, spread the seasoned sushi rice thinly onto a large, non-metallic tray or baking sheet. This helps it cool down quickly to room temperature, which is ideal for making sushi. You can gently fan the rice as it cools to give it a beautiful, glossy finish and prevent it from becoming sticky. Once cooled, your perfectly prepared sushi rice is ready to be used for your favorite rolls or nigiri. And for those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.